Find square root of 441 by long division method. First make a pair from right side to left side. So this is our first pair, this is our second pair. In second pair we have just only one digit. Now target this first pair and take here a number whose square will be equal to 4 or nearest to 4. If you take here 2, then if you take here 2, then 2 square will be 4. So our guessing number 2 is correct. If you place the you have placed here 2, so these 2 must come to the quotient also. 2 times 2, that gives you 4. Subtract 0, bring down the next pair. Here you have placed the digit 2, so same digit will come under the divisor and you need to add, that is 4. I am doubling this digit actually. Then guess here a number, this number also come here, okay, 4, and here guessing number, and you need to also multiply. So if you take here, look, just 1 times 41, 1 times 41, 41. 041 means actually 41. So our guessing number 1 is correct. 1 times then 41, 41. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. To check the answer, look, here we have placed 1, right? So look, in the divisor we have placed 1, so 1 must come under the divisor and add. So 42. Look, this number is the double of quotient, so our answer is correct. 21 is our answer. The square root of 441 is 21.